Hi everybody, this is Leslie with the Do Sets. If you haven't seen our channel before or seen our episodes, we live here in South Louisiana. We own a donut shop and our side hustle is a resale business. We sell on eBay and Poshmark and Mercari, and who knows what might happen in the future. But we have this YouTube channel to teach people what we have learned so far in those items. Or you might see us travel, you might see other experiences in our life. But today specifically, we are going to talk about our resale business. And we're going to talk about what makes your pictures look better. Because if you have an eBay store, a Poshmark closet or whatever, you can't deny the fact that better pictures will sell your items. It's a fact. If you have pictures that are bright and crisp and you can see the color of the item, you can actually tell what the item is, then you're going to sell more. You will sell more in your resale business with better pictures. And so when we first started our business, I just used my cell phone and natural lighting or the light of the room, and it worked okay. But I knew that the pictures could look better. And so we found a few things that really helped our photos turn out better. And so that's what we're going to share with you today. So stick around and I'm going to show you some of the things that we bought to make our photos look better. Hi everybody, welcome to our eBay room once again, and welcome to the area where we take our photography. And so this is where we take pictures of shoes, or also up here we take pictures of shorts or skirts or things like that that we can hang up on the wall. And so what we needed here was these box lights, and these are from Limo Studio. We bought these on Amazon, and they really give a lot of brightness, and they are adjustable. You can make them go high, so if we have something hanging on the wall here, then we lift them up to shine on the wall. But we can get closer down if we have these some shoes or something like that on our table. So box lights is the first thing we want to recommend, and second of all, we have this circle light. Let me show you how bright this light really gets. There we go. It's bright. It is a bunch of LED lights in that. And so it really, since it's adjustable also, it's adjustable in height, and it's also adjustable, as you can see that I could bend it down or it can turn, whatever. So it's very, very useful in our photography. And so this is something that we will, this circle light along with the box lights, we will link down below. And so you can go find these for yourself if you would like them. Okay. The next item that might help you with the photography for your resale business is a mannequin. Now, it could look bad underneath and everything, but this is all covered up with clothes when she's all dressed. And so sometimes it really makes your items look better. Yes, you can do a flat lay on the floor or a table. You can hang them up, and that's fine. Some pictures look great like that. But your next option could be a mannequin. It really shows how a dress fits or how a jacket fits, and so that might be an option for you to make your pictures look better. One thing that I forgot to talk about earlier when I showed you the lights is the white backdrop we have. It's photo paper that it's a long thing of it that we attach to the wall. It goes down and we put it over a table, and that way if it gets marked up or starts looking bad or anything, we just change it and we put on a new paper. Okay guys, so we're going to link these things down below. Go check them out for yourself. They really made our photography, our pictures look better on eBay and Poshmark. So go check it out for yourself. They're inexpensive, especially as you start accumulating more things and you want your pictures to look better, or you want your videos to look better, whatever it is. So go check them out. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to talk next about what we used for storage, because once you start accumulating more things, you need places to put it. So we're going to talk about that next. And so subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like this video, and stay tuned for more. We'll see you next time.